How's it going, everybody? Went to the store today, Atwood's. I'm not even sure what I went there for. I went there to get an air filter for my lawnmower, and I left with this Bilt, is that what it is? Bilt TB25SB. It was on sale for like 89 bucks. So I believe, I don't know, it's one of the cheapest straight shaft trimmers that I've seen, and I picked it up kind of on a whim, so I figured we'd do like an unboxing and setup and just kind of see how this guy works. Is it worth, almost 100 bucks? I've got a 52cc Chinese 5-in-1 tool, but it works really well, but it's really heavy, and I've got a lot of heavy duty stuff to do, but I also have a lot of, not so heavy duty stuff. So I think this guy should be good for that kind of stuff. The head and some accessories. It shouldn't be that difficult to get going. Yeah, it's a weed eater, right? So we've got this. How does this guy work? You want to use these because what you don't want is to get hit in the face with a, you don't want to get hit in the face with one of these, especially when you have a saw blade attachment. It's not a good time. Oh, that's cute. That's itty bitty. It really is not a good time. I'm speaking, of course. Comes with its own synthetic. Look at that. I wasn't expecting that. I picked up some on my own. Well, that's a pleasant surprise. Yeah, I've had decent, less than decent luck with trimmers like this, you could say. This guy is a lot tinier than that Echo I had. Especially this little tiny grab handle. But I kind of... feels alright. The build quality seems, maybe a little bit better than the 52cc trimmer I've got. I'm just calling it the 52cc trimmer because that's what it is. It's a 52cc multi-tool trimmer. It doesn't have any other markings than that. Alright, so we got this guy up on the bench. I really should clean my bench off. I was finishing up the Polaris this morning. It's all done, finally. But I've got my 40-to-1 mix, which is what I recommended. Let's see. Wonderful. That is a tiny, tiny gas can. Itty bitty tank. Alright. So how many pulls do you think it'll take to start? It says press 10 times, move lever to 1, squeeze throttle, then do steps 4, pull 5 times, move lever to 2, pull 3 to 5 times to start the engine. Wait 30 seconds, move lever to 3. It has very detailed instructions. To stop. Oh, nice. It's a little clicky-clacky. I don't like the ones that don't rebound because I'm stupid and I always forget which way is on and which way is off. So 8, 9, 10. All right. I don't like that it's spinning before it even gets going. So it really is going to take a while to warm up. Lightweight, power wide open. I don't like how high the idle is, and just as I've got this, this guy is a bit too high for me. Seems pretty simple. See if it fires back up. I do not like how high the idle is, so I might adjust. The screw right here is gonna adjust the throttle. Looks like you can adjust the high and low circuit if you have the right tool. Let's see if it'll fire back up. What I did, I flooded it. Adjust the idle. maybe I shouldn't have messed with the throttle. Maybe it was right. Maybe it just needs to be really high. But I don't understand how that's affecting it starting right now. This is driving me crazy. I don't like that. So this doesn't really have like a safe idle, is what I'm seeing. Oh man. What a piece of garbage. All right. You not to buy this piece of shit. I'm not gonna return it. I'll keep it. I'll play around with it, but this is not. Let me go grab my. Actually, I'm not even gonna go grab it. Let me just go walk over. Show you. We're gonna head over to my other section of the property. I've got my Chinese 52cc multi-tool out here. It's got my pole saw attachment on it. Okay. This guy has been sitting here all winter basically because I lost the air filter and whatever. The only difference is, the fuel in it. The fuel in it's old, and it is fuel from, it's a different type of mix, but it's still 40 to 1 or 50 to 1 or whatever. I bet you this will fire up. No problem. If I remember how to do it. We'll see. Because these should not be that difficult. The throttle's all gummed up. Probably just kinked. Alright, put the choke on. This thing is not hot at all. I haven't messed with it. That's how easy it should be to start one of these things. This has been sitting all season in the ground. Now, granted, this thing is an absolute behemoth. But still, like, I had such high hopes for that Troy Bilt. Alright, guys.
I guess that's my first impression. Don't buy it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.